Hi, I'm Edsa from Southeast Asia, 21 fresh years old. I have a question. Do you want to see some beautiful places? How about culture, tradition, religion? Or how about artists? Like drag artists, musician, tattoo artists. Oh, we have so many cultural tattoo artists. How about dancers, singers? Well, we have all of that. We can serve you the finest and fiercest young artists in Southeast Asia.
Magandang bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.